Hey guys, I'm back with another pack opening video. Today I'm going to be opening some packs and some stuff. Okay, so I'm going to show you who I got yesterday night. I got Messi. Okay, I got really excited. So guys, and I got Aubameyang yesterday, and a Godin. I got Godin.
We got like 6 players good in a row. Like, that was weird. Come on, who is it? Come on.
Can't rush. Guys, I just wake up, so
Done it. You're very good.
give me something good. Give me something.
Get me something good, yeah. Come on, give me something. So what up with these 80 rated players?
Give my son something good. Really should walk out.
80 rated. I mean, really?
Oh.
Are you kidding me, son? Are you flipping kidding me? 80 rated. That's what effing say. Got no effing right. I mean, you got no effing right. I'm sorry, I don't know.
What the hell?
Guys, you have like the most. I have the most expensive. I'm very quiet on this video.
Johnny!
Okay.
That's-
81 rated. Save. No wait, you already have him.
I don't.
Yeah. Oh wait, no, sorry.
What are you joking at?
I thought you.
Oh! Team of the season!
Oh, I thought it was gonna be
God, Sam, always speaking in my face.
Sorry. Team of the season.
This is a good team of the season. But I also saved him. But you didn't take the 90 seed team this season.
It's not going on you, so you shouldn't be worried.
Why are you sneezing?
I'm not sneezing. What?
You're just wasting it. You're wasting it.
Well, at least I'm doing something with my life. At least I didn't just spray it on me all yesterday just to feel warm.
Just to feel cold.
Just to feel
Pepe!
Save. That was me.
Pepe! Oh!
This is where it gets all chilled, guys. This is exactly what happened yesterday.
Pele!
Guys, he got all the sick players.
It's
Martin! You already have him. No, you don't. He's new.
I already have him.
It said new.
I already have him though, man.
Why does it say new, though? Why does it say new?
Because he got updated this year.
Okay. Then you're a shadow. It's an Argentinian player who's 79 rated. I don't even know that football team. Oh no. Oh, informal something. I don't know what it's called. Okay.
You're good at light, man. Inform. Thank you.
Oh, nah, you already have him though. So,
Read down.
Self
down.
it's like slavery football. Selling people. It's like slavery. You're just selling people. And if you get 2 people who look exactly the same, you just sell
I
them.
got a Halloween pack in this one.
Halloween park.
I wasted my freaking money.
Jordi Alba for Jordi Alba. Jordi Alba.
I just wasted my money here, Sam.
Yeah, I know. Yeah,
For
by
fucking
selling
Jordi
people. Sorry.
For flipping Jordi Alba. 101. On my freaking days. Sell that.
What are you selling?
Sell this. I don't need that ball cap.
Okay then, calm down.
Open this. But then it's a waste of money because I kept Jordi Alba.
No, unlucky.
That was a waste of money, I told you.
Hot gaddy.
Anytime I get inform or like a purple card or birthday card or team season, I at least get another one.
You know. Why'd you spit at me?
Because you always do.
Wait, when do I ever do that? Come on. Is he okay? You sound demented.
Give me informal team season. Come on, give me. I'm waiting for that.
Have you ever had a
slot.
team of the year?
Yeah, PK. That was my first pack.
Oh God, help please. I got a Suarez 96.
No, you flipping didn't.
Yes, I did. The first time I got it. Yes, I did. I opened a special pack. I'm not even lying.
92.
96.
Suarez is never 96.
I don't know. 96, 92, 94. He was definitely over at least 92.
No, Suarez has always been 92 or 98.
Yeah, whatever it was, but it was really high.
And there is no 99
I didn't
Suarez.
realise that was 2016, so... Jesus, it's spraying the other way!
No!
Oh, it's all gone. I know, still here.
Yeah, you just wasting it. Wasting.
Waste man. I'm only kidding, you know.
Yes, you are.
I'm not a waste man.
Yeah, I'm just kidding.
I'm telling you.
No, yeah, you are waste man because there's barely anything left.
I'm telling you what. Just like I did to Christian. I'm gonna see it from you like you always look at me.
Snitch.
You hear that, you two piece of snitch?
I'm not a snitch.
Yeah, she's a snitch.
Oh, Sabino. I just want to get something good
Stupid bum.
before my storage starts to rumble.
You can't do 10-minute videos, boy. You know that.
Yeah. I'll just open these.
Boy, you know that.
You said.
Boy, you know that. Boy, you know that. Yeah, you know that. A bum, yeah, you know that. Cause he's a bum, yeah. A bum that yangs.
Hey!
I'm only kidding.
Why did you say that?
I'm only kidding.
I got Aubameyang yesterday.
I'm only kidding.
I remember the first time you had Aubameyang. Session was like Aubameyang.
And what was we were all just like and
Guys, the Aubameyang himself.
95 Legend 2.
Okay, guys, now I'm gonna end this video. So